In this quick video, I'll show you how to switch back to personal account from business account on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So you may decided that you no longer want to have a professional business account or creator account. You want to switch back to personal account now. So recently Instagram changed their layout settings with Meta and Facebook. So some settings are different now. So I will show you how to change your account type. So firstly we need to go to our profile icon, then click on professional dashboard. Then it will show you your professional dashboard where you can easily see your insights of your account. I just need to click on the gear icon which is present on the right top side. I will click there. After that we will be redirected to our settings. Now we need to scroll here and click on business. After that we need to again scroll down and here we will see switch account type. We just need to click there and now click on switch to personal account, or you can switch to creator account. We want to switch to personal account, so that's why I will click on switch to personal account and it will ask to confirm that. I will click on switch to personal account and now you can see it is loading and it will take some time to switch your account from business to personal account. And now you can see my account has been successfully switched back to personal account. So this is the way. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.